When you go to see a person or a place for a period of time, you call that VISIT. How do you pronounce that word? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. VISIT. Yes, the S there does not take the S sound of letter S. In this case, just like the word IS, it takes the sound Z, the sound of letter Z. So what you say is visit. I went to visit my uncle last Christmas. Do you get that? Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to learn the word, say the word, and make sure to use it as often as possible to get used to it. And I'll see you around.